Hello everyone, I'm Deborah, and in today's video I am going to share with you some DIY recipes to get whiter teeth and a more confident smile. Coming up next. Hello again and welcome back. But first, I pray that you are all healthy and safe. And for those that have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. It means the world to me. And for those that have not yet become a part of my YouTube family, I would love if you would do so by pressing that subscribe button below and also press that notification bell so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content. And today's video is a part of my Look Like Where You're Going series, where I am striving to have a healthy and strong mind, body, and spirit. As you already know, today's topic is teeth. Now, because I do a lot of talking at my job as well as now on this YouTube channel, I have become more aware and conscientious of my teeth. Even at one point considering braces or maybe even retainers for straightening my teeth. And any of you that have watched any of my YouTube videos, you already know that I love my coffee. As a matter of fact, I got some sitting right here. Love my coffee, y'all. And because of that, you already know coffee is staining. So again, I am trying to come up with solutions to get the best and brightest smile ever. Now, first of all, I was on YouTube, as I am a lot, and up pops up this video regarding a teeth straightening solution at home. And of course, what do? Is I go ahead and I order it, and they sent me the kit, and here it is from Smile Direct. Okay, so I get this kit and haven't used it yet, as you can see, but what it is a kit that contains some putty. You put the putty together, then you go ahead and you put it into a tray. Then you put this tray into your mouth, and then you make a mold. And then once this is done, then you put it back into the return packaging, send it to them, and they in turn will make these teeth straightening solutions for you, but at a cost, y'all. The kit was free, but the solution obviously is not. And if I'm not mistaken, at the time that I purchased, or I'm sorry, at the time that I ordered this, the solution was around $1,800 to $2,000. Y'all, there is a pandemic going on right now, and nobody's got any money for that. So we're just going to table this for a later date. All right. Now for the teeth whitening. Again, some solutions come up on YouTube, and one of them that came up was for some type of LED teeth whitening kit, and it was being advertised by Wendy Williams. And let me see, what is this thing called? See if I can find this. Oh, it is called Snow White. That is the name of the kit. So again, it looks like it's promising. I go out and I look at videos, look at testimonials, and it's seeming like this is a viable solution. And I want to say that the price is around maybe $115, $120, which is more in budget. But then I also see other pop-ups that come up for DIY home solutions to whiten your teeth. So guys, this is where we are today. So I figure it's worth a try because all the ingredients that are used in these different recipes are probably things that you already have in your cabinet or your fridge. And I figure, why incur any additional costs when we can try to do the free to see if it works. So here we go. So today I'm going to show you 3 of the solutions that I came across, and all of them are in this basket. All right, now the first one that I'm going to show you is activated charcoal. Now, it's my understanding that activated charcoal is made from the shells of coconut. And y'all, this stuff is black, and it's a powder. The one that I purchased is a powder. Trying to get it out of this, and this is what it looks like. Now, as you can see in this little picture over here, that is the actual powder, and it does in fact stain. But the crazy thing about it is when you brush with this stuff and your teeth and your gums will turn black. So be very careful with this stuff and you don't get it all over everything, because once you do that, you will have to throw whatever that something is away. But again, when you brush your teeth with it, your teeth and your gums will become black. But the magic about this stuff is that it does turn your teeth 2 to 3 shades whiter and brighter. And it's my understanding too that it will also remove some of the stains and toxins that you get up there from coffee drinkers like myself. So that's one solution. Okay, another solution is toothpaste, baking soda. Let's turn it around so you can see. Baking soda and lemon juice. So what you do with this is you take about maybe a half teaspoon of toothpaste along with a pinch of baking soda, along with a few drops of that lemon juice. You mix it together and you brush. But keep in mind that because lemon is acidic in nature, it can actually damage the enamel. So you do not want to leave the solution on your teeth for any longer than about 2 minutes. And then also remember not to use this particular solution more than 1 to 2 times per week. Another very simple solution is baking soda as well as lemon juice. Again, you take these 2 ingredients, maybe a half teaspoon of this and a few drops of this lemon juice, mix together and you brush. Once again, remembering the acidic nature of the lemon, do not keep this solution on your teeth for more than about 2 minutes. You rinse it off and you will have instant results. And also, the solution only 1 to 2 times per week. You want to protect that enamel. And the last solution that I am going to share with you guys today is toothpaste, lemon juice, sea salt, that is ginger. Grate some ginger and a little bit of baking soda. And what you do with this is just very similar to the others. You take some toothpaste, you take a few drops of the lemon juice, you take a pinch of the baking soda, and then a pinch of the salt. Mix it together. Brush, brush, brush those teeth, being very gentle. Again, because of the enamel on your teeth, rinse. And again, you will have that whiter, brighter smile. So guys, what I'm going to do also is I am going to leave these ingredients in the description box below along with the benefits of each one. But for today's purposes, I think the one that I am going to try in front of you, my audience, is the toothpaste, the baking soda, the lemon juice, as well as the ginger. I love ginger. So I am going to put this mixture together. I am going to brush and I will be right back with you. But before I do that, let's give you all a look into my mouth so you can see what things are looking like before I do in fact put this solution on my teeth. And you can see why I wanted that teeth straightening solution too, but y'all don't judge. All right, I'll be right back at you. Okay, everyone, I have made this solution and this is what it looks like. So again, that is a combination of toothpaste, ginger, baking soda, and some lemon juice. And y'all, I don't know yet what type of teeth whitening benefits this ginger has, but oh my God, this smells incredible. Smells really, really good. So here we go. Without further ado, guys, let's just see. Now, you guys know I love you if I'm going to be brushing my teeth on camera in front of you all, so. And another thing before I get started with this, y'all. Change your toothbrush out frequently. I'm only saying this because I love y'all. Toothbrushes these days are so cheap. When you pop into the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever you go where things are $1, stop by the toothpaste, toothbrush aisle and pick up a package or two and just keep them in your cabinet. Switch out your toothbrush once every month, once every 2 months. Oral hygiene, y'all. Okay, keep that in mind. So here we go. That tastes good too. It's mint and ginger together. Wow. Okay, everybody, I am back. So I continued to brush off camera for about 2 minutes or so, and then I swished it and then I rinsed, and here we are back for the big reveal. So let's see if this thing has any benefits, at least for me. So let's see. Oh no. What do you guys think? Maybe a little? Just maybe a little? But I will tell you this. If it doesn't have the teeth whitening benefits, as they say in the DIYs on YouTube, I can tell you this. With that ginger in that solution, oh my goodness, y'all, my mouth is so fresh. I'm definitely going to use that again, if for nothing else but the freshness and the tingling in my mouth and my gums. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So that I will do again, just for that purpose. Not so convinced about the whitening, maybe a little bit, but I think what I'm going to end up doing probably is save up my little coins here and go ahead and do that LED teeth whitening kit that Wendy Williams has been advertising all over YouTube, called Snow White. So, but in the meantime, I think what I'm going to do is next time I'm going to try the activated charcoal and see what type of benefits that gives me. Guys, thank you again for joining me and letting me do the reveal on my pearly whites in front of all of you. I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much. And until we meet again, please continue to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And as always, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. Thanks again.